Hi, I'm Chris DeWitt,
And I'm Oscar Yahweh.
and we're the founders of Made Goods. I'd like to say a little bit about natural variation because it's
natural variation. Let's do it.
natural materials is what we use. Cowhides, veneers, rattans, and most natural materials have variation.
If rattan is harvested in the dry season, it looks more yellow. If it's harvested on the wet season, it's more greenish. Sometimes when you go on and then paint a soft color on top of that, when it's more like dried, it's gonna take the color in a different way than when it's more greenish.
And it could be even a year. There could be a drier year, so everything, or a wetter year, and that everything varies. It's not that it's just the time it's harvested, it's the way the environment works. One of the things about natural items is they're special because they are unique. You're not gonna end up with something that's exactly the same that someone else has.